Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TRandTheLady. I am going and run a couple of errands today. Oh, here go a cop. Let me slow down. Woo, no tickets this way. So yeah, come ride with me while I go to the bank and Walmart and get a couple things from Walmart. I haven't been to Walmart in so long. But how y'all doing? How your mama doing? How your cousin doing? How y'all sister doing? How everybody doing? I'm doing good. It's my day off. Did I say that already? I don't know, but it's my day off and I'm just chilling. So, you know, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Is this my turn? Ooh, yeah, it's my turn. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's Thursday, October what? The 7th. Yeah, it's the 7th. And my birthday is coming up. I'm ready. I'll be 42. You know. I pray God let me see 42, you know. Nowadays you don't know what's going on, but I just pray God let me see another year. But just ride and let's go shopping. I'll be back once I leave the bank because I'm almost here. All right, I'm back. Pump my gas. Hopefully you don't hear my air because I'm hot, girl. I'm hot. But I know y'all, I ain't vlogging in a minute, but she's back. She's back. Like never before. Like never before. But that's about it, I guess. I'm gonna see you at Walmart. At Walmart. At Walmart. Y'all, I had to make a pit stop real quick. You should already know for what. Guess. I'll tell you. I had to go get my pickle. My pickles. Get ready for the weekend. I gotta work this weekend, so I need my pickles on deck. I need to order me some because I don't have none, so I gotta keep running to Redders all over to find them. If one don't have them, I go to another one. So yeah, I had to come way up here to get me a pickle. Not one, but a couple. And get ready for my shifts. I can't live without them. So anyway, I'll see you at Walmart. Y'all, I'm here at Walmart. I made it. About to go in here and get some groceries and things. Putting my mask on so I can be what? Safe. Well, let's go in the store. All right, you walking in? Let me show you. Just looking. Oh, let me go this way. Okay. This stuff right here. Ooh, cookies and cream. Ooh, passion fruit and banana. Ooh, let me smell this, guys. I'll be back. That's cute.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing us. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marchand. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that mean.
Just now leaving Walmart. Stuff spilled everywhere. I'm so hot. Oh, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. I got a bump. Yep, I got everything I needed. Everything. It is hot. When I get home, I'll show you guys what I got. Now I want to go home and cook. I was in there for like an hour. It's like 5 o'clock now. Is my car in reverse? Yes, it is. So what's going on? All right, guys, but guess what? I'll talk back to you in a minute. I'm heading home now. It's time to cook and relax. I'll be back. Cheese, tuna, some forks, deep dish glass pans, protein shakes, paper plates. Oh, I love these candles. Candle, cream of celery, mushrooms, lunch meat. Oh, you got to try these. My house smells so good right now. Passion fruit banana. I think I already opened one of them. I got 4 of them. I could not leave them. Chicken, cream of mushroom, paper towels. Did I say that? I don't know if I did. Feminine spray, boiled peanuts, noodles, waist trainer. I need that. Pickles, peaches, mandarin oranges, and Glade plugins. And that's all I got, guys. That's my little haul. 7 at night. I'm about to make me something to eat. I didn't eat nothing all day, so I'm about to cook me some food and cook my baby some food so when he come home, he can have something to eat. So I'll show you when I'm done cooking. All right. Peace. Hey y'all, what's up? It's the next day. I never did end that vlog from last night after I showed y'all. Really, dude? Oh my good. People. After I showed y'all my food, I never did end the vlog off from last night. So I'm back. Today is Friday. On my way to work. So it ain't a happy Friday for me, but for y'all, happy Friday. Enjoy your day. And have a good weekend. I'll be working this whole weekend making money. But yeah, this weekend, you know what I mean? Love up on yourself. Take yourself out. Treat yourself out. Do something nice for yourself. You know, show yourself some love. Don't wait for nobody else to show you no love. Show yourself some love. That's the way to do it. But guys, I just want to say thank you so much for, you know, shopping with me, rocking with me. Thank you. I appreciate you. And that's the truth. But yeah, I just want you to please like the video. You coming through? You coming? Come on. I can't back up, but just go. Like the video, please. Comment, say hi, say what's up to your girl. Oh, this traffic is crazy out here. Oh my goodness. Like, yeah, talk to me. Say hello. And subscribe. It's free. Why not? Subscribe. Join the family. I would love to have you. And rock that bell. Rock the bell. Have an amazing day. Peace.